How to make traditional egg fried rice. Ready in minutes, egg fried rice is a filling and endlessly customizable staple that doesn't disappoint. This delicious but simple recipe makes for a quick meal or an excellent snack. This video will teach you how to make traditional egg fried rice. Ingredients: 1 egg, 2 teaspoons sesame oil, 2 tablespoons vegetable oil, 7 ounces long grain rice, pre-cooked, 4 ounce peas and carrots, 4 spring onions, finely chopped, 2 teaspoons soy sauce. Number 1. Pre-cook the rice. Cook the rice the day before, or use leftover rice in the refrigerator. The important thing to remember is not to heat up the rice, but keep it cold. Having the rice cold helps it not stick. Take the rice out of the refrigerator right before you start to cook. Choose any long grain rice for the egg fried rice. Jasmine, white, or wheat work well in this recipe. Basmati also works, but the flavor will be masked by the other flavors. Number 2. Prepare the egg. Before you begin, beat the egg and sesame oil together in a small bowl. Set it aside for now. Number 3. Stir-fry the vegetables. Heat oil in the wok until it's starting to smoke. Pour in the peas and carrots and onions. Stir-fry until they start to brown and get tender. Stir-frying is a cooking method where small pieces of food are quickly cooked in a small amount of hot oil in a wok over medium-high heat. Stir-frying veggies retain their color, crunch, and nutrients. Cook until the vegetables are crisp tender. Any vegetables work in fried rice. Try tomatoes, broccoli, onions, bean sprouts, carrots, peas, green beans, red or yellow pepper, baby corn, or scallions. Number 4. Add the rice. Pour the rice into the vegetable stir-fry. Continue stir-frying the rice and vegetable mixture for 3 to 4 minutes. Number 5. Scramble the egg. Using a spatula, slide the stir-fry mix to the side. Pour the egg into the empty spot of the wok and scramble with the spatula. When the egg is cooked, mix into the rice and vegetable stir-fry. An alternate way to scramble the egg is to slide the rice and vegetables to the side and pour the egg into the wok. Let the egg set for 10 seconds, then use a chopstick to swirl the edges before using the spatula to stir into the entire mixture. Continue frying for another minute. To make the recipe vegan, simply remove the eggs and substitute fried tofu or another source of vegetable protein. Number 6. Season the mixture. Pour soy sauce on top of the mixture and stir in as you finish frying. You can also stir in a small amount of sesame oil. Transfer to a plate and serve. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like, and share.